Hi guys, this is YesTechie. We are at ISC West in Las Vegas, and here is Ubiquiti stand. Today we will show you like a small tour around, and there are some new, very fresh products. Let's go to see.
This is actually a pretty interesting product, and we never deployed it, and probably we will, because it's a industrial, how they call it, cloud gateway. So it has built-in switch, system power for high density PoE deployments. No, if it's PoE, so it can run everything.
Yeah, it's
full UniFi application set.
Before we installed like a lot of network infrastructure for some production facilities, and it will be like really useful there, because for example, for big CNC shops or like painting facility, there are a lot of dust, like oil and stuff like this. We usually installing like fully closed racks, but now you can use just this guy, and it should handle like environments like this very effective. Let's go to see cameras.
That's all cameras. We installed
We already
each of them.
Yeah, we already have experience with most of them. We didn't install multi-sensor yet, and G6 180, but we have a client, and the cameras actually will be delivered today or tomorrow for our deployment. Okay.
That's a very good camera. Actually, you can use it for license plate as well. So we deployed it in many, facilities and outdoor. So instead of LPR, we use this G Pro Bullet, and the performance is really good for the license plate and at nighttime. So that's our to-go camera for both. Like basically, you have a very good picture and view angles, especially at nighttime. So it's improved night vision, but LPR on it pretty decent. So later I'll show you how to, we have a lot of questions from customers how G6 180, a lot of use cases where you can, you need actually 180, and some of our customers, they have warehouses and racks, so they have aisles with equipment, or like there is forklifts, and they need to see it basically both direction, 180, and the camera mounted on the ceiling.
And it's actually one more interesting detail. On the pictures from the website, you can see it. You can move it up and down, because it's a like feature of the mount, but not the camera itself.
That's different mounts. That's a wall mount, so you can move it like.
I like those cameras too.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
Here you can see G6 series. We already know about the regular G6. This is G6 Edge cameras. They was released just yesterday, and we'll explain more in other videos. And interesting detail about them, all of them have optical zoom and edge capabilities, and can work without console. Okay, let's go see what else. Here, Retrofit Hub, and especially for us, the most interesting thing here is this reader. So you can use NFC cards, you can use PIN codes, and you can use fingerprints. And everything over your old wires. G6 Pro entry, I think it's already available in the Ubiquiti store. We ordered few of them today for our customers. So it's a different form factor, but it has all the capabilities and features of intercom. So you can have directory right here on the screen. You can use PIN codes, face recognition, QR codes, and all this stuff. But it's smaller. This is the next interesting thing. So Alarm Hub. You can retrofit all your old sensors. You can directly connect them to the hub. As you can see, we also have new Superlink here. So if you need more sensors, you can use, let's say you operate at some big manufacturing facility and you already have a lot of sensors for windows, for the doors and stuff like this. All of them can be connected to the Alarm Hub. But if you need more sensors, you can use wireless sensors and connect them to the Superlink. And connectivity radius is about 1.5 miles, if I'm not wrong. And battery lifetime is amazing. It's like 1 or 2 years. Another interesting thing, relay. So now you can connect anything you want through this relay, and you can integrate it through the Alarm Manager in the Protect. All different sensors here, including air quality sensor, which is interesting also for the manufacturing environments. What else? We also using these things for our clients, Device Bridge and Device Bridge switch. Some particular case, we have a customer and they have a like big storage, and they have like printers, and they always move them around the facility, and they connect them just through Device Bridge. Another case for devices like this, for example, Device Bridge switch we used when we built mobile conference unit. It's just a TV, a relay bar, and on the card, and everything connected through the Device Bridge. So you just need to connect it to electricity, and you can put it anywhere around the office.
Seems that network video recording instant, great product for, you know, when you have like 5-6 cameras. I think for the residential, very nice looking, good solution. And also you have UPS.
Photobombing your video.
Oh, it's also pretty cool. We are very, you know, excited for the new phones. We're thinking maybe, oh, it's actually G3 Touch Enterprise. It's actually a new phone. It can connect over Wi-Fi. We had deployments, it's 11 phones, and we were like surprised that you can actually connect it with a Wi-Fi. So you can deploy them easily, put on the desk. So what you need is just a PoE source, so you can plug it in like.
It also can be
wherever.
powered by USB-C.
Yeah.
So you can put it on any desk, connect
outlet,
it through.
Yeah.
Through the adapter, and connect
Everything.
to the network by Wi-Fi, and it will work.
Work wirelessly, and you can use it as a viewer, open doors if you have access deployed, and like see cameras. Amazing. So we have more cameras here. LPR, yeah, we deployed many of them. Very good in like catching, you know, license plate in basically any environment when it's dark and low light. Amazing camera when it's set correctly, you know. I read a lot of on the internet, people having hard time sometimes to set it properly, so to catch now, like we never had any problems, but it needs, you know, you need to tweak some settings to make it work perfectly. Oh, this one, it's our favorite, AI horn speaker. So we deployed them, like bunch of them, and you probably saw some of our videos. So we use it as a part of our active deterrence. When we have like static cameras, PDZs, and this guy like to just actively deter bad actors. Oh, and that one. So we have a kiosk. When we visited a previous conference, it was at Miami in November. So everyone was like scanning their QR codes and getting badges. That's like system in action. Access control stuff. I like this guy, like Intercom. They have new G6 Pro entry, but I like physical buttons and form factor. Very cool Intercom. Guys, and that's on almost every UniFi Ubiquiti conference. They showcase how it needs to be, how it's supposed to be done. That's the proper setup. When you have Ubiquiti patch panels, they're amazing patch cords, and everything seems like looks so clean and nice. We deployed few racks like that, and we were like priced not only by customers, so we recorded some videos, uploaded photos to the social media, and everyone likes it. That's how you properly done Ubiquiti.
Another interesting thing about Ubiquiti racks, they have built-in LED lights, so it always looks cool. So if you have any questions about Ubiquiti equipment, or you have some upcoming project you need to design, you can always contact us and we be glad to help you.
We deployed a lot of gear, UniFi recently, I would say, and we have access to some new stuff. So we are testing it in our office, in some commercial settings. So we know what to expect from new releases. So we'll gladly help you design your system and choose the correct type of equipment which will suit you the best, and rest assured we will deploy it the best possible way.
That's what YesTechie do.